So what's going on, everyone?
Today we're diving into something truly revolutionary.
The ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI. This isn't just a vacuum. It's a game-changing cleaning wizard with a futuristic design, insane suction power, and mopping technology that redefines clean. And guess what? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this should be in your home. Starting with the star of the show, the Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping Technology. Now, this isn't your average mop. It cleans itself as it mops, meaning no dirty water smearing your floors.
No more cleaning the mop halfway through the job. It's like having a professional cleaner in your home 24/7. Every time it mops, it's working with fresh, clean water. Always. Now check this out. The difference is night and day. While traditional dual spin mops are notorious for just spreading dirt around because they only clean the mop when they return to the base, the Osmo Roller uses a continuous supply of fresh water with 16 strategically placed nozzles that replenish the water supply in real time. This means there's no risk of dirt being dragged back across your floors. Imagine always cleaning with fresh water, no matter how much grime it picks up. Now this right here is where the Osmo Roller really stands out. Unlike dual spin mops that can actually spread dirt around, this technology ensures that no dirty water is left behind, maintaining spotless, streak-free floors. Plus, it's not just about keeping the mop clean. The real magic happens when the 200 RPM roller speed and the 4000 PA ground pressure. With that kind of power, it easily takes on even the toughest stains, whether it's spilled coffee, stubborn food stains, or pet messes. It's like having a pro cleaner on standby, but without the need for manual intervention. Now let's talk about how it handles those stubborn stains. The Osmo Roller doesn't just push around the dirt, it tackles it head on. That 4000 PA pressure ensures that even heavy grime and deeply ingrained stains don't stand a chance. And the 200 RPM roller, every single wipe is scrubbing away that mess, whether it's on a tile, hardwood, or even carpet. No more worrying about scrubbing the floors yourself or spending hours on your hands and knees. Introducing the Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping Technology, a breakthrough in robotic cleaning unlike traditional mops that can spread dirt back onto the floors. The DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI ensures a hygienic clean every time. Now, as you could see, even when faced with spills like coffee, the Osmo Roller cleans effectively without leaving any residue behind. This is made possible by its innovative self-washing mechanism, which continuously replenishes the roller with fresh water and removes dirty water in real time. This ensures that every pass over your floor is as clean as the first, providing a spotless and hygienic environment for your home. Now, traditional robotic vacuums often struggle with corner stains, leaving areas near walls and furniture edges less clean. This intelligent design ensures thorough cleaning of edges and corners, areas often neglected by traditional robotic vacuums, providing a more comprehensive and efficient cleaning experience. The TrueEdge 3D Edge sensor enhances this capability by creating a real-time 3D map of the environment, allowing the robot to navigate complex spaces like corners and near obstacles with precision, avoiding collisions while maintaining close contacts with edges. Equipped with a floating roller and extendable edge brushes, the robot dynamically adjusts to clean along walls, furniture edges, and corners, ensuring no area is left untouched. The DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI overcomes this challenge with its TrueEdge 2.0 dynamic dual-edge cleaning technology. Wow, look at this robot effortlessly maneuvering through a cluttered room, dodging shoes, cables, and other obstacles with ease. This is the power of the DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI. Equipped with advanced IV3D 3.0 intelligent obstacle avoidance technology, it can instantly recognize and navigate around various obstacles in your home, ensuring a smooth cleaning process. Now, whether it's a busy living room or a toy-filled playroom, the DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI handles it all, providing an unprecedented cleaning experience. This robot is not just a cleaning tool, it's your smart home assistant. Now, it also has a zero tangle technology, which means no more tangles. The long hair and pet fur are smoothly managed, reducing the need for manual detangling. It would also improve the performance because the system ensures uninterrupted cleaning with consistent suction power, even in hair-heavy environments. And then it's also hygienic and convenient. It prevents hair buildup inside the roller, saving time on maintenance and enhancing cleaning efficiency. So how it works is that the 45-degree V-shaped angle bristles, these bristles are inclined toward the center on both sides, effectively preventing hair from becoming trapped between brush gaps. It also has reduced resistance, which directs hair toward the center, where centrifugal force during rotation further encourages hair to gather at the middle, minimizing tangles. It also has the 18cm V-shaped spiral rubber strip. The spiral design combines with the airflow direction to form a cyclonic effect. This airflow pushes hair toward the central suction inlet, ensuring efficient collection without blockages. And it also has the V-shaped comb mechanism. As the roller rotates, the V-shaped comb located at the center aligns and combs through the hair gathered by the cyclonic flow. Hair is redirected toward the roller edges, where the comb's detangling force counteracts the inward pull of the roller and airflow. This high-frequency interaction loosens entangled hair, making it easier to suction away.
Now, of course, to put it all together, this Omni station is the ultimate cleaning hub. It self-washes, self-empties, and even dries the mop after cleaning. No more dealing with messy maintenance, and it's all automated.
You can even add a cleaning solution. And as you could see here, our dust bin is empty, and also the dirty water mop container is also empty, and our mop is dry.
Now, for all my carpet lovers out there, the DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni has the personalized carpet strategies. It lifts the mop and adjusts suction power for deep carpet cleaning. Now look at this. Now let's do the ultimate test. We've got cereal, pet fur, and sticky stains. Can the DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni handle it? Let's find out. Now that's exactly what I call the next level cleaning. This robot doesn't just meet expectations, it smashes them. Kind of like you guys smashing that like button.
Now to sum it all up, the DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni has the Osmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping Technology, True Edge 2.0 Dynamic Dual Edge Cleaning Technology, and the 18,000 PA suction with Zero Tangle 2.0 Anti-Tangle Cyclonic Comb Technology. So, what do you think?
Now let's talk about the detail. The DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni launches at February 18, 2025 for $12.99. It's available on Amazon and the ECOVACS official site. Everything will be linked down below as well. It is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. Now trust me, this is an investment in stress-free cleaning. Also, don't miss the exclusive intro offer. It's valid for the first week only. Click the link in my bio or description to grab yours before it's gone. Now that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. This is the DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni. Now, if you're tired of cleaning and want a smarter way to keep your home spotless, this is the one for you. Smash that like button, subscribe for more epic tech reviews, and let me know in the comments what would you test this vacuum on. Until next time, stay awesome. Peace.